Look at this ballerina to be, Brycely Pritchett, turning the big number 4. And Brycely, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo. She's in Uniontown.
In Pittsburgh, turning 5 years old this year, it's time to celebrate for little Spencer Kreitz. Happy birthday.
In Weir, Abigail York, now celebrating her 11th birthday. Up on the saddle. Happy birthday, Abigail.
All right, and Katie Fulk, turning 17 years old this year. In Oswego, happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, Dad, and the girls.
And Jessie Bluer, now 18 years old. A very happy birthday to Jessie in Oswego as well.
All right, and in Riverton, Megan Hill, turning 33 years old this year. That's a fun picture. Happy birthday, Megan.
This is my man, the outlaw. That dude right there. You know, every time that we give a little information down there weather-wise from Southwest Missouri, it comes from that dude. That's right. He's my boots on the ground. He is the man letting me know what's going on down there. Mike, you know we love you and a very happy birthday to you. And congratulations on the big number 60.
All right. Dinah Lauman, or Dina, is 62 years old this year in Girard with love from Laura and the kids.
Joyce Bates celebrating a birthday. Cool card, too. Joyce, a very happy birthday to you in Arma.
All right. And in Fort Scott, Jeff and Andrea Scott are celebrating their 20th anniversary this year. Congratulations to the Scotts.
Run out to Carthage, where Scott and Shirley Hounshall celebrated their 43rd anniversary. Congratulations to the Houndshalls. Good looking picture, too.
All right.
Who that is?
And
extended family.
Yeah, we've got Jasmine Camp. She is our operations manager, Daniel Camp's daughter, turning 12 years old this year. There with her dog. Love that picture. Jasmine is in Pittsburgh.
That was a good picture. Charlotte Eichhorn, happy birthday in Altamont. Oh my gosh, Tim Seeger, 61. I'm not shocked that Tim Seeger's 61. Almost called him Tim Seeliger. Tim Seeger, a happy 61st birthday to you, sir, in Parsons. Sean Graham is celebrating his 25th birthday in Erie, and get this, his grandpa, well, that's John. And John's birthday is tomorrow as John celebrates 79 one day after his grandson turns 25. So a very exciting time for the Graham family there in Erie, and a happy birthday to both of you. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.